Hello, students. Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to start a new poem of Honeysuckle, A House, a Home, written by Lorien M. Haley. So here I start. What is a house? It's brick and stone and wood that's hard. Some window glass and perhaps a yard. It's eaves and chimneys and tile floors and stucco and roof and lots of doors. This is a description of a house. Next is second paragraph. What is a home? It's lovely and family and doing for others. It's brothers and sisters and fathers and mothers. It's unselfish acts and kindly sharing and showing your loved ones you are always caring. So, children, what is the difference between a house and a home? In the first paragraph, it says, what is a house? House is a place or a building which is only made up of brick and stone, as you can see in the picture. It is just a building or a construction which is made up of stone, which are hard, wood. They are also having window glass, and it also has a yard. It's eaves and chimneys. Eaves is a place where the roof rests, and chimneys, I hope you understand, it is a place where the smoke comes out of the house. I'll show you the pictures, you will understand it better clearly. They are only made up of few things, whereas a home, it is made up of a family. If you see in the picture, now here comes the picture of eaves. As I told you, it's a place where the roof rests on the walls, and chimney is, if you can see over here, it is a place where the smoke comes out. Now a home is made up of family members. They all care for us. The poem is actually a comparison between a house and a home. The poet says that a house is just a building made up of wood, stones, and bricks. It has doors and windows, floor tiles, etc. Whereas a home, on the contrary, is an abode of love and care. Its walls reflects the emotions of its dwellers. Its roof reflects the care of loved ones. Nothing can substitute the cozy atmosphere and feeling of safety that a home offers. Now, here the poet differentiates that a home is a place where our family members love each other, they care for each other. The walls, they are not only walls, but they reflect the emotions and the feelings of the people, those who are dwelling inside. Dwelling means living inside. Its roof also reflects the loved ones, how you care each other, how you behave with each other. It is all reflected in the roof. Nothing can take the place of a family. Nothing can substitute the cozy atmosphere and feeling of safety that a home offers. Nothing can offer you that much love as a family member gives to us. I hope you understood the summary. Now here I am sharing two questions which I hope you can solve out. First is few questions. If you think you agree, you can talk with your family members, or if you are having any partner at home, you can discuss and then you can write down the answers. Second is, now complete these sentences about your house and home. My house is whatever you feel like. The best thing about my home is whatever you think it's the best. You can write down your own feeling. Now here are a few evaluation questions which you can say as internals. First is, a house is made up of what? A home is made of what? The poem is written by dash. Now fourth is, write 3 sentences on your house. Write 3 sentences on your home. Write a paragraph on your dream house or home. Whatever you think is a dream house, you can write a short paragraph. 4 words I am sharing which I hope you can sort out the meanings. Please do the work. I hope you understood and enjoyed the video. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.